Hi, my name is Elena Bistrișanu and I have the privilege to talk to you about immersive imaging technology and how Google is using this technology for their business advantages. So what is immersive imaging? Immersive imaging technology is a 360-degree image. Immersive imaging is using 12-lens camera called Dodeca 2360. The camera takes 12 simultaneous pictures or still shots. The pictures are stitched together by a software program so that viewers can shift continuously from one perspective image to the next one. The images are captured consistently in every direction with the help of 12 slides, shaped storage, and the users are getting 360-degree view of the pictures. This is a picture of the guy that is using the Dodeca camera 2360, taking pictures all over the world in big cities and where the businesses are located that advertises with Google. The company is using this camera is called Immersive Media. On the right side there is a picture of the Dodeca camera 2360. The invention of this camera belongs to David McCutcheon from Portland, Oregon. The patent was approved in December 1997. The camera contains 12 pentagonal geometrical lenses. The mechanism of this pictures camera is very simple. It takes 12 pictures, simultaneous pictures, up to a complete spherical field of view. Then pictures are utilized by a special image processor to extract the region of interest as a movable window. The image processor extracts and assembles the pictures from among the various segments of the images as they are recorded in a segmented memory. According to the information from the inventor, a head-mounted display is stitching the images to form a 360-degree view. The images used into the processor can be real-world scene that can be either live or pre-recorded. The images can be photographs or videos. Existing methods of transmission of video channels can be used to broadcast such immersive images. A special encoding of information can be used to conserve bandwidth and reduce the number of channels required. An independently movable window within a single overall spherical video image is produced when more than one viewing processor is used. This is the schematic representation of a region of interest superimposed and how this translates into extracted pixel groups from the original frame buffer holding the multiple video images. This relates to a frame buffer showing how pictures are matched. It also relates to the coded data transformation techniques, including translation by means of lookup table and storage address formation and access control processing. This is a block diagram of the components of the present invention, showing a system for a single viewer access to the components of panoramic image. This is also showing the way an image is pulled out through a buffer into a computer monitor. The images are pulled out by pairs. The video images are carried over separate but parallel video channels. These channels can be produced by simultaneous playback through multiple video recorders linked through a common time reference such as SMPTE timecode. An actual video channels can be used from RF telecasting carried as a cable system. Also, compressed multiple video streams are used within the bandwidth that is reserved for a single video stream. This invention is designed to use digital and analog systems as well. The design is a quick, simple, and inexpensive device for displaying portions of an overall panorama. Because it does not rely on generated computer graphics, it can have a quicker and more natural response time than any other type of video recording devices. Next, we are going to watch a little video with some examples how people can use immersive imaging and make a better decision about the places they like to see or visit. Hey, take a look at this place. Wow, it's so nice to see ahead of time where you're gonna go. This is a virtual tour of a place. And this is another example of how real estate industry is using immersive imaging so can pre-record shots of interior or exteriors of a property. This is how traveling industry is using immersive imaging. People can check a place ahead of time so they can make up their minds if they like it or not, and if they like to be there or not. Hey, take a look at this place. Would you like to see that before you go there? This is how traveling industry is using immersive imaging to let people to see that ahead of time. So, where immersive imaging technologies find its use? The traveling industry is using this technology to show people ahead of time what they will see at the destination. Shots of places and famous historical buildings are big attractions for travelers. The real estate industry is using this immersive imaging technology to post to their prospective customers a 360-degree view of a property they are interested to buy. The high security industry got a good grab of this technology as well. This 360-degree view is a good center of this industry. The government is using this technology for high security places. The trucking industry is using this technology for their advantages, using Google Earth Map to find destination for their addresses. Are you planning for a trip and want to find out how to make a better planning, or want to see the location of your trip? The next video will give you an idea how to use Google Earth Map feature for these purposes.
Now you can use Street View when getting driving directions on Google Maps. First, go to google.com and click on Maps. Then, click Get Directions and enter your starting location and your destination. If you are searching in a city where Street View is available, you'll see a camera icon next to each driving direction where imagery exists. Your starting location will be marked with an A, and your destination will be marked with a B. Clicking the camera will open a Street View bubble at each location listed in the directions. A blue path is shown to guide you to your destination. Follow the white arrows in the Street View window to better understand the path you'll follow when traveling to your destination. Remember to use the zoom buttons to take a closer look at things, and to pan the image to get a 360-degree view. You can even use this feature to help plan for your trip. For instance, check and see if you'll need to bring any money along for toll roads. Avoid parking tickets by checking for no parking signs. Investigate poor road conditions like potholes, steep hills, and sharp turns. Not sure